Welcome to ClickMoat, the best-in-class AI fraud prevention solution. We're here to tell you what you need to know and provide an overview of our product features to start our services. What you can expect from ClickMoat is that we will clean up your traffic and eliminate wasted ad clicks in real time. You can start your free trial by connecting all your paid accounts. First, I will explain how to connect a ClickMoat website to your Google Ads account and begin protecting your Google Ads from spam. There are two ways to sign up for ClickMoat. The first is through the main menu, where you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. If you prefer, you can simply sign up with Google. Once you sign up with Google, it will ask you to select your account. If we choose this account, it will request some information, such as your email address and profile, to continue with ClickMoat. Press the Continue button, and it will show you which Google account you are using to sign up. Then, you will be asked to enter the domain name you want to protect. Suppose we are going to add this domain permanently, and click on the Startup button. Here it will display the different protection plans, such as the Standard Plan, Professional Plan, and VIP Plan. Each plan has a certain cost and comes with various features and benefits. You can choose to pay yearly or monthly, with the yearly plan offering a multiple discount. You can select one of the plans and there will always be a 30-day trial option. Once we have chosen our plan, it will ask for our card details. Don't worry about your card details, as we have partnered with Stripe and your information will be secure. It will then show you which plan you have selected, such as the standard monthly plan, and you can continue with your trial. After payment, you will be asked to choose your industry and time zone before clicking Continue. In the next step, you will be prompted to connect your Google account, where you have created your Google Ads and want to protect them. So, you have to do a login with your account and select the account you want to protect. Once you continue, it will ask for your permission to manage your Google Ads. This is necessary because if a spammer clicks on your Google Ads, we need to update the IP record to the Google campaign in order to block them. Therefore, we require Google Ad permissions. Once you grant permission, press the Continue button. After granting permission, the system will fetch all accounts attached to that Google account. If you have multiple accounts, you can search for them by name and select the one you want to connect. If you choose Automatic Configured Link Tracking, the tracking template will be updated to your Google Ads account based on your requirements. This saves you from having to add it manually later. However, if you do not select this option, you will have to enter it manually. Once you have selected your account, press the Continue button. This will fetch all the campaigns from the connected ads account, and you are good to go. Now, let's discuss the process after a customer is onboarded on the platform. The first step is completing some basic setups, such as tracking information. Here's a two-step system. One is a tracking installation. This is the one script created by the ClickMoat that we need to install on the specific website that customers want to be protected. Once they copy the URL, they must then copy the code from the Copy button and place it before the opening of the body within the head tag. After that, the second part of the installation is the tracking template. Generally, this template gets added automatically through the API, but to ensure that any customer must go into Google Ads, then into the All Campaign steps and into the account settings. In that account setting, the customer must confirm that auto tagging is enabled and set to Yes. After that, regarding the tracking template, they need to add this code as shown in the screenshot to the final URL suffix. Once this process is complete, the system is ready to handle all clicks generated by the end user. Then, once the data starts, it will appear here, showing how much clean traffic came through and how many clicks and amount were saved for that specific website. These are analytics regarding legitimate traffic killed IP or killed traffic, and types of traffic killed due to various parameters, Additionally, there is another report that shows the number of clicks blocked from mobile or desktop devices. We also have a breakdown of blocked clicks based on campaigns, including how many campaigns received valid clicks. Finally, another detail to set up is protection rules. So, our protection rules are like this. We can configure how we want to block a user. We have 3 parameters to consider: daily, hourly, and every minute. For example, if we decide to allow up to 2 clips per minute, then a user who clicks twice within a minute will get blocked. Based on these parameters, we can change the settings here. We track device IDs to detect IP addresses. So for example, if I am using this laptop and clicking multiple times from the same device, will it get blocked? We can decide that with our parameters. We also have a feature for VPN blocking, as many users try to bypass our security features using VPNs. We can choose to block them or not. This is one of the most important features of our ClickMoat. We have implemented AI models to track user engagement with the website. Based on this, we can give a probability of whether the user is a spammer or not. We can define this probability as 14 out of 100%, for example. If we find a user with a 38% probability, should we block them or not? Based on this probability, the model will give us an answer. We also have detailed analytics that shows the IP address, time, and reason for getting blocked. We can also see how many clicks we got from which country and campaign, and when the last click was registered. This click comes from this campaign. Another thing is a keyword. So when we create campaigns, we add keywords, right? Suppose a user searches on Google for AdWords marketing services. If a user comes with these keywords and gets blocked, we show the keyword that led them to the blocked campaign. We also show the reason for the block, such as how many clicks were blocked based on the reasons. For example, there were 16 users who used a VPN and got blocked. We also show the data based on the country, such as how many clicks we've received from each country. For example, from United States, Bangladesh, Iran, and other countries. We also show the local area, such as in Burma, we received a click from the Beijing region. This is another report based on the IP range. Here we see the device ID that we track with a particular device. And the most important feature is our AI model. Here, the data shows how many IP codes were blocked using the AI model. As you can see, there were 4 IPs that were blocked based on the AI model, determining that these users were engaging in spam activity.